Kasi may mga involved pong senador dito.
Mr. Diskaya, sa dami-dami mong binanggit na pangalan na kongresista, silang tanong ko, Senador, meron ba?
Your Honor, wala po.
Sigurado ka?
Safe ka na.
Sigurado po.
I resent that statement, Mr. Chair. I resent that statement.
Safe ka na. Okay. Diba? Safe na.
Mr. Chair, I move that you strike of the record that
Alam mo naman, biro lang naman yun eh. Wala yun.
Mr. Chair?
So,
Pwede po bang wag nyo na ako ibalik sa Senate, Your Honor? Kasi may mga involved pong senador dito. At hindi ko po alam ang magiging kapalaran ko pag binalik nyo ako doon. Habang ako po ay nakadetain, nakapag-isip po ako at nagdesisyon na maglabas ng ilang nalalaman ko sa flood control project base po sa aking natatandaan sa ngayon. Tama po si Senator Lacson na ang mga engineers ng DPWH ay tila naging legman o bagman na lang. Kung tatanungin niyo po ako kung sino o kanino kami naging bagman, sabi ni Senator Marcoleta kahapon, ligtas ka na. Hindi po ito totoo. Si Senator Jinggoy Ejercito Estrada, Senator Joel Villanueva, Yusek Robert Bernardo at D. Alcantara. Si Senator Jinggoy po ay nagbaba ng 355 million ngayong 2025 sa mga ilang projects sa Bulacan. Ang sabi po ng boss ko dito ay 30% ang commitment dito. Ang mga projects po na to ay flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate. Phase 3, Barangay Mercado, Hagonoy, Bulacan, with an allocation of 60 million pesos. Number 2, construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate at Mambog Creek, Phase 3, Malolo City, Bulacan, with an amount of 45 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate, Phase 3, Barangay Iba, Hagonoy, Bulacan, amounting to 60 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station at Calero Creek, Phase 3, Malolo City, Bulacan, with an amount of 50 million pesos. Construction of flood control structure including pumping station and floodgate, Phase 3, Barangay Mayto, Kalumpit, Bulacan, with an amount of 60 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigation structure with pumping station and floodgate at Barangay Santo Rosario Creek, Phase 3, Malolo City, Bulacan, with an amount of 40 million pesos. And last, construction of flood mitigation structure including pumping station and floodgate Phase 3, Barangay Carillo, Hagonoy, Bulacan, with an amount of 40 million pesos. And all of that with a total of 355 million pesos, Your Honor.